Amalungelo, amalungelo wetu.
Because we don't have money to buy airtime. We want their SMS to be free. Manda! Manda! Right to know, right to know.
Amalungelo, amalungelo wetu.
I don't know who how we say now. Hello. 3 Hello. Vodacom is profiteering. For free time.
You can't answer that. Is a protest.
Hoe kom protest julle?
Vodacom is profiteering over 3,000% on every SMS that you pay for. We're not asking for all airtime to be free, we're asking for a free basic airtime. So that instead of dialing the free number to the ambulance that never comes, you can actually phone a friend that will come there in 2 minutes.